the moon.
Really bright and then really dark.
It's just gonna get really dark and then slowly get bright.
Somebody told me when it like turns to sun, it's gonna get really dark.
No,
Or really bright.
that's why you have the glasses.
Yeah, it's bright right now.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's almost there. It's 3:05. I don't like this. Wait, I'm
Oh my god.
Look at that. Hold on, hold
It's
on.
making me uncomfortable.
Guys, look for the comet. As the sky gets dark. I don't know.
I'm a little uncomfortable.
I don't like it.
I don't like this at all. I'm watching like lines go across. Look.
Oh, I see it.
Look at the walls.
Yeah, I see it.
There's like shadows moving everywhere.
Yeah, I see it on the ground.
There's a plane.
Is that what it
Wait,
is?
guys, look at it. Wait, I think it's happening.
Somebody's flying.
Yeah, it's pretty much there, man.
Not yet. Don't look at it yet. It's not total.
There's a star up there.
You can't take pictures. Oh,
Oh, hold on. Not yet. Oh my gosh, look outside.
Whoa.
The lines, the lines.
yeah, what are those lines? That's what's throwing me off. It's the laser.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, everybody look. Dad, let's put them on. Put them on.
Keep them on yet.
This is the last of the sliver. We all gotta watch
Oh
it.
my
People
gosh.
see it.
It's gone. It's gone.
Pictures, 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 pictures.
Oh my god.
I don't think you can get pictures of it.
Yes, you can.
I think it's gonna fry the phone.
No, that will not fry the phone.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Your, your phone getting them?
I can't zoom in.
Oh, yours good though?
No.
That is so
No, my phone's
cool.
worse.
Oh my
Cozy,
god.
Cozy, is your phone taking it?
That is
It's not
awesome.
very good. But I can, you can see there's a hole in the middle. Look how dark it is. That is so amazing. That is so amazing.
Maximo.
Oh my gosh.
Pluto.
Wow.
Pluto.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
That is awesome.
Yeah, that's total because with the glasses you can't see it at all now. There's nothing to see. Oh my god. Look how dark it is.
Look, it's like sunset every direction.
3 o'clock.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
I'm like uncomfortable. It's like
Weird
weird.
sunset in every direction.
Will we be able to
Did
look at it
anybody
once
else
it goes
like
the other way?
a little
Yeah.
freaked out? You creeped out at
Oh
all?
my
Like,
god.
I got like cold chills. I'm like, oh, this is not right.
It's really cold all of a sudden.
No, like my body, but it's
No,
not.
I don't like it. Oh my god, you guys, it's so long. It's so big.
Is that the comet?
No.
That looks like a star.
There's another light. Comet.
Hold on, hold on.
Imagine everybody else.
Oh yeah, people are shooting at the moon.
What?
Or, yeah. That's pretty bad when shooting at the moon, actually.
Is he actually?
Right.
Where's this comet at?
I don't know. I don't see the color. Wait, so when it moves, we have to throw glasses back on?
Yeah. It could be one. It might be that one because it's super bright.
Like, what is going on? That got dark real
I would
quick, though.
assume it's not a comet.
Oh my god, really dark.
You okay? Is Google okay?
He's uncomfortable too.
No,
I've got the same feeling he does, dude. I don't.
This is so freaking amazing, you guys.
yeah, it is.
No, this is cool.
So glad. So freaking amazing.
I've got like the same feeling Max does. I want to go back inside.
But the sun is not here. Wait, how is it like looking like the sunset, but the sun's up there?
Because everywhere around us has sun. Those places where you see the sun, they still have sun.
Yeah, it's only a few miles.
We're in the path of totality, it's only like a mile wide.
Oh, there's something going across the sky right here. You see it? Is that a plane?
Yeah.
It's a plane, yeah.
Right.
It's a plane.
Yeah, it's
Well,
black.
because it's blinking, but is it, or are those the rockets they shot off? Or that's really insane.
What?
Yeah, because we get the 3 rockets, remember?
Yeah, someone's shooting rockets. They were firing up the telescope. They're doing all kinds of stuff.
I think the gunshot.
You know what they're doing with that fancy telescope? Looking for dark matter that powers the universe. That's what we're looking
Are
for.
we all
And
dead
we're
right
also
now?
firing up the particle accelerator today, baby. Because that always ends up good in every movie we've ever seen.
This would be crazy or camping right now. Hold up.
It was so cold. It was 75 like an hour ago.
It's like a little orange blip. You guys see that?
Yeah, on the bottom of it.
Yeah, it's a tiny little orange blip.
No, I don't know what it is. Oh my god.
Bam, 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 bam.
I just want to walk in and just walk in with like 2 dead guys and knives. Wow, 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 wow.
was fun. Guys were
Oh,
rolling
I'm
in the air.
nervous. I got nervous. I don't know.
I got nervous.
It was cool, but I got nervous. I got like doggy.
There it is going away. Still a very strange green out here.
It was so white.
Pretty cool.
What the hell was that?
That was a major explosion that I don't know what it was.
That was either a really big gun or an explosion.
Pretty sure that was tannerite.
A lot of it.
Somebody shot Tannerite.
Propane tank, baby. People cheered. I heard cheering.
Did they get on video?
I heard cheering, so I think it's okay.
Yeah.
That's probably tannerite.
That was louder than tannerite. She's like, oh my god.
I mean, you could
And
feel
Dad
that.
Max came out.
You could feel that
He was
one.
like, where's Dad at? Wait, that actually scared that
Still an
scared me.
awkward,
I thought the end of the world was coming.
very
I was like,
saturated
no!
color
Anything would really happen.
greens and pinks and
The shot from Paint Tank.
That was so scary.
Everybody around us.
I thought it was. I thought we were done for. I was like, I'm not going to dance tomorrow. It's a nuclear bomb.
pretty cool.
Mom, this is the guy's group chat. Joseph is fun. The sun is back, boys. We found him.
It's so kind of cool.
I'm cold. Oh, now, guys, look. It's
And with this much light, we still probably only have like 5% of the sun visible when you look up at it.
He is freaking out.
It's really, really still blocked, but it's slowly coming back.
I don't know what gun that is. Maybe, I don't know, a tank?
But yeah, who actually?
Pretty cool.